Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be working on this Chevrolet Aveo. The reason why we're going to replace the mirror is because it's cracked here. You can see it. We've got the replacement mirror here, which is a second-hand mirror. This one is cracked a bit from here as well. But what we're going to do here is that instead of changing the whole mirror, so we're just going to replace the damaged part, which is just the mirror itself. So in order to replace just the mirror, we'll have to remove the whole mirror and the stem, the base. So the way we're going to remove the whole mirror is that we're going to remove this trim part here and this cover here from the door casing, and that's going to allow us to gain access to the nuts or the bolts which are holding on to the mirror. There we go, nice and easy. And then this trim pops out when you put your finger in from inside here, as you saw in the video. Okay, so one bolt there, another one. So these bolts are Phillips bolts. So the third one, when we remove it, we're going to hold on to the mirror so that it doesn't drop off. There we go. Next we're going to remove the harness connector. So just going to press the clip on the side, this clip here, and that should allow for the whole mirror to just come off. There we go. So this is how you remove the mirror. So here we are. So we're going to swap the bad parts with the good parts. So just going to remove that cover there. There we go. And then same on the other one. Right, so we're going to be using Phillips bit to remove these three screws. There we go. So at the moment what we are doing is that we're just removing the mirror itself from the stem, from the base. So a couple of more screws here to remove. I've already mentioned it, the reason why we're not replacing the whole mirror is that the base on the replacement mirror is a bit damaged, as you can see it here. So this is a good mirror apart from the base, a little bit cracked here. So we're gonna use our own base, the original base from the car, and just gonna remove the mirror. So at the moment we're just gonna there we go. So that's going to allow right friends, we have a situation here. So we cannot go ahead with our original plan, which was just to replace the mirror, because we got a big connector here which is not coming off, because this is all metal, this is metal as well. So we cannot pull this connector off here, but as you can see in the video. So that's impossible to change just the mirror itself unless we cut the wires. Again, once we cut them, we'll have to join them, and that's just too much fiddling about. So we're gonna go back to our plan B, which is to just replace the old mirror, the broken one. I'm just going to show you from here. So the broken one with the new second and good one. So what we're going to do here is that this little bit damage here, what we're going to do is we're going to file it off Just gonna round it off nicely with file, and that's gonna make it look good. So we're gonna either use file or we're gonna use angle grinder just to smoothen off the rough edge here. Right, so we're just gonna use a file to smooth the edge. There we go, friends. It looks really good now. Can't really notice the cracked corner. Right, here comes the replacement mirror. So just gonna line up the holes like that. So we're gonna hold on to the mirror from outside so that we don't drop it. There we go. So just gonna hand tighten them to start off with. Phillips bolts, 3 of them. So just gonna do the harness connector now. Just gonna tuck it inside. There we go. Then 2 more bolts. Okay, so that's all the bolts nicely secured. Perfect. Next we're gonna do the door casing cover, the small one, small window, and then the main cover goes on. Just like that. Hear the click, nice and easy. There we go, friends. That's the door mirror nicely been replaced on this Chevrolet Aveo. I hope you find my video helpful. Thank you very much for watching the video.